Losing a loved one is an incredibly difficult experience, and the legal process that follows can feel overwhelming.
Please remember, this video is for informational purposes only and is not legal advice. Welcome to your step-by-step guide to settling an estate in Kentucky.
Probate is the legal process of settling an estate, paying debts, and transferring assets to heirs. In Kentucky, this happens in the local district court.
The process starts by filing Form AOC 805 with the district court. A judge then officially appoints the personal representative.
You will need to inventory and appraise all estate assets. Next, use estate funds to pay off valid debts and taxes. Finally, distribute the remaining assets to the rightful heirs. Not all estates require the full probate process. In Kentucky, if the estate's value is $30,000 or less, you can use a simplified process by filing a petition to dispense with administration. To avoid probate entirely, consider proactive strategies like setting up a living trust, utilizing joint ownership for your property, or adding payable on death designations to your bank accounts. We've covered what probate is, its steps, and how to simplify or avoid it. Always consult an attorney, as this is not legal advice. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and leave a comment below.